at the Juiced Cloud, this is where you're going to do it from, just like everything else with our add-ons. And you're going to go over to Excel Docs. As you can see, I have 3 Excel Docs setups that exist currently. And all we're going to do is we're going to think in our head, okay, which application do I want to add these buttons to? And you're going to go to authorize new application. So we're going to select the relevant user token to the setup. In this case, it is this one for me. And then once it loads, there we go. We're going to select the application. So in this case, I only have one app on this user token. So we're going to select that. And I'm just going to show you really quick. This is the applications document templates, and there is no Excel Docs Configurator button here. So then we're going to click this or check this authorize only no setup required button, which is normally just to authorize an app. But in this case, we're using it as well for the process of adding these buttons. We're going to press finish. And then if all things go well and good, it will tell you, hey, we've added the Excel Docs Configurator successfully to your app. If it already has the buttons, it will not do anything. It will give you an error, actually. And then all I got to do is refresh, and then boom, we have the buttons on both the master table and the subtable level. There we go. So then it pops open the Excel Docs Configurator. So as long as you follow those steps, it should streamline the process of getting it into your existing app. And of course, if you're setting up Excel Docs in any new applications, the new setup will just come with it preset. So you don't have to go through this process at all for any new applications.
Right. And Dylan, I think it's important to kind of mention to clients that these are for those of you folks, whether you're in this meeting or watching in the future, who are already subscribed to our Excel Docs add-on and are now looking to utilize this new configurator. By default, we do need to have some sort of action that's going to add this to your guys' end. We can't just hard install it to all of you guys. So this is something you will have to do. And as Dylan just showed, if you just navigate to the Juice Cloud, many of you know how to get there, but you can just go by, hitting our juicetech.com, log into the cloud. If you don't have a cloud login, please let us know and we'll make sure to get you associated with the correct account. And then once you do that, it's just a matter of going through the setup, just as Dylan showed. And this should be a no-brainer for many of you.